So we're at Smith's today. If you have a Kroger in your local area, then Smith's is Kroger. So let's go check that out. It's a cart day. I'm feeling lazy. So when you first walk into Smith's, this place is actually like super huge. I don't know why, but I guess everybody has some coins or something today. But yeah, they have tons of deals here. It's absolutely ridiculous, to be honest with you. They do also have weekly deals. But today we're here because we want to pick up some salmon and some things for some shrimp fried rice. So that's why I'm here. But other than that, they have tons of stuff here. This is their bakery section. It's huge, as you can tell. It's actually pretty big. Over there is the deli. I have no purpose of going over there today. But if you want me to do like section by section, I totally can do that. But right now, I'm just picking up a couple things for the family and just showing you a couple of things that they have here. If any of these type of stores look familiar to you, like I said, it's a Kroger franchise. And if you have a Kroger franchise in your area, do let me know what that store might be called. I'm okay. So she's doing some type of display here. I want one.
Hi, would you like to try some?
May I please?
Some Nutella?
Yes, ma'am. How are you today?
Fantastic. It's not that excited coming in, but as it progresses, it's getting better.
It's a Sunday.
Nutella's pretty thick. Yeah, Sundays without football, what do you?
You know, sleep.
Some sports, you can like spread it around.
Nice, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guilty, I was just hungry. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat something so I'm not in the store just getting whatever. Anyway, I got some cookies here. Look, I don't need to be walking through the section. I don't need half of the stuff I'm looking at. I'm just showing this to you guys. They do have on sale this week. I think their weekly ad starts every Wednesday, but their weekly ad this week has on sale $5 pork chop loins. Excuse me, let me finish chewing this thing up. But they have $5, the low price $5 pork chicken loins are on sale right now at Kroger, as well as $2.77 a pound for the ground meat. Over here as well, they have buy one, get one free on the chicken, boneless chicken breast. Buy one, get one free. And this is $8.53. I'm seeing $8, $10, $9. I don't know if that's really a deal, but you can buy one, get one free. So you're essentially getting like a pack for $5. That might not be too bad. They also have some ribs here. $16 from baby back ribs. And they also have some marinated chicken. This is a steakhouse marinating over here for $6.34, as well as a Malibu garlic and onion all-purpose seasoning. And these are $6.25. That's not a bad deal. These as well, I think it's the Tyson. So it's boneless chicken breast as well as the chicken drumsticks from Tyson, or buy one, get one half off. I see a thigh over here that says buy one, get one half off as well. So I'm gonna pick it up. I don't know if you can mix and match, but it's definitely always of the equal or lesser value, so we'll do that. I'll go ahead and get one of these thighs, $5.18, and one of these chickens, $4.50, $4.11, $4.16. That's $3. Hold on, $3. That's a $3 one right there. $3.98. I'm gonna get these two. This one is $5.18 for thighs. Let me see, $4.98, $5.05. So I'll get the $5.05 and the $4. Get these two. Wow. Buy one, get one free. That's about $10 worth of chicken right there. And it's 4 of them. So that's what's up. They don't eat pork, so I'm not gonna take advantage of that deal. And red meat is something that we're kind of steering away from. So I'm also here for the seafood. They have some pre-made foods as well. These Home Chef. This is their actual brand of Home Chef. They have fried chicken and chicken strips here. I'm mainly here for like meats and stuff, so you all are in luck today. Let's go straight over there to the meat department because I'm really tired and I want to go home. So, oh, they have some fruit. I see that the fruit is on sale. Let's go check that out. They have some pineapples and some watermelon. Watermelon's totes not in season right now, so I don't even know why you would think about picking that up. Do you see how these look? They do not look that great. It's really pretty over here. Look at, I just love produce sections. These are huge. These are some big strawberries. These are some huge strawberries. I don't know if strawberries are in season, but these are, oh, these things are looking mighty freaking succulent. Hold on now. My goodness. That thing rolled out is so big. No, yes, we're gonna take her. Come back. Okay, hold on. Like, I don't know if those are artificial strawberries or something, but these strawberries look too freaking fire. I'm not about to pass that up. That's pretty crazy, actually. They have some guavas. I did not know that they had guavas. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I need to get out of here, like yesterday. Barbecue sauce is on sale for $1.49. Hold on. It's not that I need it, but low-key, I have been wanting some barbecue sauce. I'm not even gonna do that to myself. I've been wanting some. I'm gonna get this sweet and tangy. All right, put my chicken. I love doing this. People look at me like, is she serious? I'm absolutely serious. Yes, I am. Me and my friends on YouTube, we going shopping. These are those cotton candy grapes. I never had these. Do we need bread for the kids? We always need bread because we're always making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So let's go ahead and see what the bread aisle hit for. Man, you know you're tired when you just start making noises while you're walking and stuff, acting like an old woman. Excuse me, sir. Okay, their bread is always like regular price for $1.99. That never changes. But I do see a different type of bread that I've never gotten. Usually I get this one, which is a Kroger brand, but I'm seeing this for $1.49. What's your beef? What's the difference? I don't know, but I'm gonna get it. And they have wheat bread too. I'm gonna start to get some wheat bread. Hot dog and hamburger buns. I don't know if this is a different brand. It's Smart Way. I usually get the Kroger one. But I don't know. They're putting it in my face with this bright color, so I'm gonna get it. That's how marketing works. You won. But yes, I love Kroger because they always have some good deals going on. All right, let's see. I see something down here. The Indomie is on sale for $3.99. My husband loves this stuff. He loves this. He's from Nigeria and he loves eating this. Hot and spicy is on sale too, but no, we're gonna get this the regular. I've never even thought to look in this section. I honestly don't shop in store much. Okay, let me be truthful. Now, I was a proud booster, okay? Not that type. Hold on, not that type. Smith's booster, duh, okay? So I would sit my butt at home and bring my groceries to me, okay? But now, because of this and our practical shopping that we do, I have to come out, okay? So I don't even get the chance to look through these aisles. In the bread aisle, in this particular Smith's, I don't know if all Smith's are designed the same, but in this particular aisle, they have the international foods. This selection that I'm seeing is far more better as far as curated to actually have a variety of things versus someone like Walmart is very generic when it comes to their international section, but this is the type of stuff that I look for. Things that I've never seen before, so this is pretty cool. These are my drinks down here. This is my jam right here. I haven't had that one before, but I'm gonna get a couple of these. They're a little expensive, but I'm gonna get them. They're probably this price everywhere, so I'm not even gonna bother trying to search somewhere else. They have these mochis. That's pretty cool. Brown sugar. Let me just get this Thai. I'm gonna get the Thai and just stop playing because that's my favorite. But yeah, they have some tofu, stuff like that. This is pretty cool though. I have some coconut milk drinks down here. Strawberry coconut milk drink. I love this type of stuff. This is my jam. These are my type of things right here. This is what I really like. So I'm gonna get some of this. $2.99 though, Jesus Christ, no. I'm still a practical shopper. So let's get up out of this aisle because we came here for meat. Don't those look so pretty? There's some beautiful flowers. I love flowers so much. I really do. And the back of the store has a whole line of a whole bunch of meat. So we're not going to go through this like super going through it in detail, but we are going to go through a couple of the areas so you can see what I'm picking up for my family as well as some of the prices this week. Every single week Kroger does put out a new sales ad so that you're able to see the different deals for the week. So this particular week, these are the deals that we have. If you want me to continue to come into the store, I have Smith's here in Las Vegas. If you want me to continue to come in here and do like a weekly ads type of thing, totally can do that. Just let me know by either liking this video or commenting. And yeah, let's get straight into this seafood and then the meat section. So like I said before, we're here because we're trying to find some salmon, but always look at these end caps because they do have deals going on. Do you see what I see right here? I see a little bit of tilapia for the low. How many pieces is that for $2.50? It might be 2 or 3 pieces. These salmons look pretty good. That's pretty fire. I'm not gonna front. Maybe if there's more in there. $5, $4.19, and that's 3 pieces of salmon. I mean 3 pieces of tilapia. Okay. Catfish nuggets, stuff like that. The snow crab clusters are on sale for $9.99. We have the salmon for $11.99. I'm looking for the salmon that's in the actual bag, so I'm going to be going down to the area that's farthest down there. But right now, this is where I'm at. I think I'm going to get some lobster tails. Yeah, I think I have 4 lobster tails.
Do you know how the ticket works because they're on the lobster tails?
Pardon me?
Do you know how the ticket works because they're on the lobster tails?
No.
No, it's nothing against you, Marley. Just a rule that we have. Because they're lobster tails, I'm going to just give you this ticket right now. And when you're done shopping, you show it to the cashiers up in the front. They'll call the number on it, and I'll bring it up to you.
Okay, no worries. So yeah, so if you hear that, maybe that's in your area as well, where they do a ticket system. 4. Thank you so much. No, not a problem. They do like a ticket system in some areas where when it comes to the seafood, depending on the area that you live in, I'm in Vegas, people crazy out here, but they give you a ticket, you take it up to the front. When you pay, then you get your seafood, okay? You get your lobster, it's on hold, okay? So he gave me this ticket and I take it up to the front when I'm ready to go, and I got 4 lobster tails for $24. They're on sale today for $6. You see how she just replenished it like that? Replenishing it. They have some beef ribs. I am not eating beef anymore, but they have some beef ribs for $20, y'all. You can come get it and buy it and eat it for me. This one is $5. They have some more of this pork tenderloins. These ones are marinated. $5, $14. That's not bad. Okay. These thinly sliced chicken breasts with red meat are $5. So that's a pretty good deal. And they have some of this premium type of bacon, Polish sausages, all different types of stuff. Really cool. I really like Smith's. I really do. I like Smith's, and I like Smart & Final a lot when it comes to shopping for the family. When it comes to Smart & Final, I like that they have big things for you to buy. And when it comes to Smith's, I like that they have a lot of deals. Every single week they're throwing deals at you. So as we saw with the Tyson was buy one, get one half off. No, buy one, get one free, right? And it's $5. Like I said, it's basically the same, because if we're looking at these, and if this is 2.5 pounds, right? So 2.5 pounds is 5 pounds of chicken for $5. These are 4.5 pounds for $5. So either way, you're getting a half pound, but it's still the same price, basically. So they have some more chicken and stuff down here. A lot of great prices. Buy one, get one free, as we saw before. And the chicken is on sale. $1.99 for the chicken thighs with the bone in and the skin on. These are some pretty good prices. Also do have on sale, this is the boneless chicken tenderloins for $4.49 on sale. The $4.49 a pound, $1.49 a pound for the drumsticks. And that's a pretty good deal. Like I said, it's still about 5 pounds anyway, and these are 5 pounds. So that's a really good deal. And here we have some of the turkey things. If you're like our family and you're not really big on the beef and things like that, they do have these 3 pounds of the ground turkey for $10.99. I personally am going to go ahead and pick this up. I liked it when we got it. And as you see right here, the 1 pound is like $6.49, so you might as well get the 3 pound. It just makes more sense. I'm gonna probably make some burgers and things with that. Smith's is really great when it comes to the deals. They're constantly having things on sale. Every single week is a different sales ad, so I'm definitely going to see what's shaking over here. The kids need food, all types of stuff. I'm picking up these shark bites. No, it's not real sharks, but I'm gonna get it because, look, maybe if it's cute they'll eat it. Okay, these kids are tripping on me. They're tripping on me, y'all. Help. I need to get some salmon. The salmon is on sale, but it's not on sale. $19.99 versus the $22.99. I'll get it. Like, I really just want to mess up this whole section. Sockeye, cod, Atlantic salmon. I'm getting 2 of these. Now I'm gonna get 1. We keep just getting 1, knowing that we really like it. That's what's really bothering me. But I'm just gonna get 1 for now. There's some catfish, tilapia, cod, whitening, pollock, all types of stuff here. Pollock, not on sale. Catfish, tilapia is always on sale. Flounder, halibut, snapper. I'm gonna get this pollock and see what that's hitting for. They have some shrimp over here. I see the shrimp's on sale. $17.98 for the colossal. The jumbo is $8.99. And this right here, this is my girl right here, this Argentina shrimp. If you were ever over here, this Argentina shrimp right here is the one. Why are they covering this up? They got all the good stuff right here. Why is this covered up? Buy one, get one free on that stuff because it's already super expensive. But yeah, I'm finished with what I got going on for the day. I'm gonna pick up 1 of these shrimps. This one for $8.99. And yeah, this is my little cart for the moment, for the day, for the time. I gotta get some water and I'm done. Thank you all so much, as always, just for being here. Greatly appreciated. If you love these type of shopping videos, if you love shopping videos in general, if you want to see more walkthroughs, things like that, shopping for my family, shopping practically for my family, make sure you go ahead and you like this video, comment, subscribe, all that type of stuff, so that I'm aware that you're genuinely interested in these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.